lawful for a president to do that. Sabi ko sa kanila, just a minute. Kindly look at the anti-graft law because I was quoting the very words of the anti-graft law which allows public officers to accept gifts as token, minimal. Tapos, abogado ka magsabi in public, diretso ka, wala, illegal yan. Bastos yan. Bakit mo turuan ang pulis maging... Look, just before you open your mouth, kindly think. Dito, puro imbita ka na, I will invite the United Nations. Di imbitahin mo silang lahat. Pero sabi ko, barahin ka na.